In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose model in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the model selector, what each option means, and how to switch modes mid-conversation to get the best results for your task. First, let's locate the model selector. Open a new chat or jump into any existing conversation on the main ChatGPT interface. At the top left of your workspace, you'll see the current model displayed, typically labeled with a version name such as ChatGPT 5.2. That label isn't just informational, it's a quick gateway to changing how the AI thinks and responds. Click the small down arrow next to the model name to open the menu of specialized options. You'll see several modes. Auto mode is the all-purpose default. It automatically balances speed and reasoning so you don't have to think about trade-offs. It's great when you want reliable, well-rounded responses without micromanaging settings. Instant mode prioritizes speed. Choose this when you need rapid-fire replies, quick drafts, or fast iterations with minimal waiting. The trade-off is that it may be a little lighter on depth, which is fine for brainstorming, summaries, or short answers. Thinking mode is built for complexity. If you're tackling a multi-step problem, verifying logic, or asking for a thorough breakdown, this mode allocates more processing time to produce higher quality, more accurate answers. Expect a slower response, but often a more robust one. You may also see legacy models. These are older versions that remain available for continuity or comparison. While they can be useful if you prefer a familiar style, newer models like 5.2 or higher are generally recommended for superior performance and capabilities. Now, here's a powerful tip. You can switch models at any point during a conversation. You're never locked in. If you start in auto mode and need a lightning fast follow-up, flip to instant. If the discussion gets technical or nuanced, move to thinking to deepen the analysis. The change takes effect immediately and influences the very next response, so you can steer the session in real time without starting over. If the reply feels too brief, switch to thinking and ask for expansion. If it feels too heavy, switch to instant for a concise recap. You can always return to auto when you're done fine-tuning, and that is all for today. Mastering these model switches is the first step toward using ChatGPT like a professional. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.